Hello, everyone. The Elgin Rampage Bluetooth Hearing Protection headphone is a solid choice for those who need hearing protection at work. The noise-canceling microphone also had a good touch, so phone calls were clear and easy to listen to. The product link is available in the description. You can check it out for the best prices. Let's start with its design, the Elgin Rampage Bluetooth Hearing Protection headphones are built to work hard and are backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. The professional design of these headphones makes them ideal for anyone who needs to use them in harsh work environments. Its Comfort Elgin Rampage headphones are designed to be comfortable and for extended use. The adjustable band is made of metal to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Overall, the comfort of these headphones makes them a great choice for anyone who needs to wear them for long periods of time. The IP65 dust and sweat-proof Elgin Rampage Bluetooth Hearing Protection headphones comply with the IP65 international standard, blocking dust, sweat, and rain in the harshest working conditions. Elgin Rampage Bluetooth Hearing Protection Device. The headphones are ANSI certified with a noise reduction rating, NRR, of 25 decibels, providing proven ear protection in noisy environments. These headphones are ideal for anyone working in noisy environments, such as construction sites or workshops, where power tools or heavy machinery are used. The Bluetooth 5.3 Elgin Rampage Bluetooth Hearing Protection headphones use the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology to provide faster pairing with your devices and an extended wireless range of up to 50 feet. Its battery life, Elgin Rampage Bluetooth Hearing Protection. Headphones boast best-in-class battery life with a rechargeable battery that delivers over 40 hours of continuous audio playback on a single charge. Although they may not offer the best sound quality or hearing protection on the market, their comfortable design and long battery life make them a solid choice for those who prioritize comfort and convenience. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.